Hi everybody, so I'm Keda and today we're gonna learn how to make a vegan key lime cheesecake. I've been on this vegan tip recently, so I'm trying to be a vegan, failing successfully. But we'll see how it goes. Vegan desserts always very interesting and I think it will be delicious, so let me go. Hi, I'm Keda. This is me. I'm just trying to make God and myself proud. Let's see what I'm up to this week. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. So the first thing we're gonna make is the crust. Now the good thing about this is gonna be no bake, so everything just frozen. I don't have to bake anything, which kind of defeats the purpose of this being a learning to bake video, but So we have some unsweetened coconut flakes, roughly chopped pecans, lime zest, maple syrup, salt, vanilla extract, and a bacon. The crust with some pecans instead of just a regular graham cracker crust because I feel like it'll give it some texture and something different. So I'm gonna plug this in because that's the first step of it actually working, right? Okay, you see, it's doing something. Crust is pretty good. This is gonna be a little bit more of a crunchy crust because I don't have a food processor. I don't own one. It's $100. I'm not gonna buy one. So the cupcake tray is off to the freezer because it has to be frozen. This is it. We're finished with the crust. Next thing we have to do is the filling. Now it's no bake. I mentioned that before. So we're gonna put it together. So we have some coconut milk, some cashew. This is soaked cashew nuts, raw cashew nuts, some lime juice, some agave, and some coconut oil, lemon zest.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God! What is that?
The next step is to put the filling into the cupcakes and put it in the freezer for 2 to 4 hours. So that's what we're gonna do next. Okay guys, so it's in the fridge for about 2 hours. We're gonna see what it looks like. I think it'll come out good. The filling did taste good. I forgot to record that part, but oh well. And we'll see how it goes.
One eternity later.
Hi guys, so it is a week and a half later and I edited the video and I just realized I never recorded ending. So I'm gonna try what we have left of the tart and I'll let you know how it going, how it tastes, right? Yeah. So here's the tarts, a week and a half old. It is cold, shit. It's cold. Okay, so one thing I'll say, it is really cold, but the recipe, which I did link below, says that you need to like let it thaw out or something before you have it. That's a lie. Okay, you have to eat it frozen. You let it thaw, it just becomes a goop, and it's like you're eating almost like a pudding. It isn't good like that. I mean, the taste is there, but the texture is all the way off. So let me try mine, this one right now, and I'll tell you guys how it tastes. Cool. It is good. It is really good. The only thing that I would complain about is the fact that I didn't have my blender to really work. So the filling kind of a little bit grainy. And because we use cashews, you can kind of taste the graininess. So if you have a food processor, you probably might want to use that. But other than that, it tastes good. The pecan crust is the bomb. It's really, really good. The pecan crust is really, 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 really good. So try the recipe. Try the recipe. Tell me if you like it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I would see you all next week. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.